Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text behind moving objects in CapCut. So first you can try adding the videos that you want to edit, and here I have this video of someone riding a bicycle and I want to put text behind the objects in this video. So what you need to do first is duplicate the video. So click on a video and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the duplicate button, and click on the first video and tap on overlay. So after you make one of the video as overlay, let's click on the overlay video here, find the remove background, and I'm going to just use the auto removal until the background of the overlay video is fully removed. Just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the background is removed. You can click on a check icon. Let's go back and hit on text. Now you can just write the text that you want. So for example, I'm going to just write moving objects. So in here you can change the font and style to how you like it. And okay, I'm going to go with this and change the font like this, and here you can click on the check icon and adjust the durations of the text to how you like it. I'm going to make it full following the video, and after that you can just click on the text. So currently the text is still at the front of the object, so what you need to do is hit on the text and click on the layers option in here and just drag the text after overlay just like this. And now after you do that, the text will be behind the moving objects. So this is the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.